Welcome in to another woolly review. Today, Wendy Peter Pan, which is a 3-ply. So I will be using a size 3 hook and disinfect my hands later. This is in the colour Snowdrop. There are 5 colours in the range, but this is now discontinued. So if you find it, you're very lucky. And I have found it on Outback Yarns for £1.99 at the cheapest that I've found this. 50 gram ball, 301 meters or 328 yards, 55% polyamide, 45% premium acrylic. It's plastic through and through, but it is so soft. Oh my gosh, it is so nice and soft. And I can't stroke it forever because this is on its way to the winner of January's Woolly Wednesday. I just want to keep it like that. It feels so nice. Put some googly eyes on. We're all good. But I better review it. So let's find the start. Oops. Okay. So normally I would do a swatch of a row of single, a row of half double, and a row of double, and then do it again. Because this is going to somebody, I'm only going to do half a swatch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It feels very nice working in the hand as well. That's a bonus. Oh, let me have a... There is a little bit of elasticity there, just a smidge. And the reason why I do the elasticity test is because sometimes you need to get into tight stitches. And with acrylic, it's a lot easier to get in than it is for a natural fibre. So that's why I do that. Did have somebody ask me, and I thought, well, you know what? I will reveal the answer to that in a review when I actually state about it, because then they both go together. Now the 5 colours for this, they are pastel baby, typical baby colours. So you've got the yellow, the blue, the red, or the pink, should I say, pure white, and then an off-white. Did I mention all the colours? I can't remember. Let's do a row of half doubles. It does feel nice. It's very light and airy. Feeling it. It's not bad. Not bad at all. And over 300 meters on a 50 gram thingy. Skein, that's the word. Being very delicate with this. I just can't get over how nice it feels. I think it's one of the first really nice soft wools I have felt from over here in the UK. Okay, let's do some half doubles. Okay. It's not splitting, it's not squeaking. I mean, it's definitely the poly side of the material that is making the softness. I keep going on about the softness. Do you think it's soft enough? Do you think if I tell you it's soft, it's soft, it's soft, you'll realise that it's really not rough, it's quite soft? And let's do one row. Look at that little curl. It's just staying where it goes. There's no drape on it. With these stitches anyway. So the last row, one row of double crochet. Bean has decided to join me on the seat, just to be awkward, I'm sure. Hi. Hmm? There's room for two. That's got to be a plus, right? One chair and I'm not taking up the whole chair. Even Beany can come and squidge on by. In the background you will see my hanky markers with sterling silver lever backs. Very, very lightweight. They don't snag on your work and they don't drag it down. And details for them are down below in the description, underneath the hearts. Details how to buy them. And underneath there are my affiliate links for Lovecrafts, Amazon, Mary Maxim, Lion Brand, Ice, Annie's. I quite like the stitch definition with that. You can see every little stroke. As expected, that's really nice and soft. It's almost like you haven't got it on. Like if that were a cuff of something, you know, that's what I go with. It's almost like there's nothing there. That is really, really nice. Okay, stop fondling, Lisa, because you need to sort it out ready for the next person. So what we're going to do is frog nice and slowly. Oh, the kinkage. There's a lot of kinkage there. And fast. Woo. Woo. Oh. Oh. Don't do that to me now. The kink there, it's pretty definite. It's pretty much there. It's pretty, you know, pretty. So roll it back up so I can put its belt back on. Peter Pan 3-ply. What am I going to give you? You can go away now. Ugh. Would I turn my back on it like I am with Beany right now? No. Would I be very disappointed if that was the only thing in the shop and it's that kind of stuff that I need? So I'd have to go with it. No. Would it be in my top 5? Well, Yes, it would. Would it be in my top 3? Yes. In fact, if I was after a 3-ply, I would head straight for that as a number 1. So again, we have another 5 out of 5 Ladybirds. It is so nice and soft. For the money, there's a really nice amount of length on these. It's I just can't get over how soft it is. It's nice to work with. It doesn't split, it doesn't squeak. It feels really nice working with, as does having it on the skin as a garment. This is a solid 5 out of 5 Ladybirds. Hopefully this was of some use to you. If it was, please give a thumbs up, which is down below next to the subscribe button. If you haven't already, please do. It is free, of course, and over here we have giveaways, we have yarn reviews, we have stitch tutorials, we have Beany. Anyway, hopefully I will see you next week for another woolly review. Take care. Bye-bye.